Hello everyone, today I want to talk about how to create a link or a download button to trigger an AJAX download event. So it's something like this. So actually this is my ongoing project, so I can share the full script to you, but if I click this, I will get this data. And this dataset is produced in the fly by the backend server. This is a script to do a predictive maintenance. So here I have rainfall data, temperature, pressure, and relative humidity. And from this dataset, my machine learning model can predict if the sensor is broken or not. Yeah, something like that. But that's not what we want to talk about in here. What we want to talk about in here is how to create something like I did show you today. Actually, if you using a form, no, I forget. Actually, when I click this button, actually we will send an array data to the backend server. It's using post method. So if we just access the link, okay, actually this is the method, this is the route that I use. So if we just access download like this, it will not work because we need to do that in post method, and we also need to provide an array like this. As you can see here, actually this is the Flash server, and it expects an array JSON from here when we access this route. And to do that is here. Actually this is very simple. Here, this is the script. As you can see here, I am using AJAX and the type is post. The URL is just download. The content type in here, we're using application JSON because we want to send a JSON data. And in here we convert the JSON or the dictionary to the JSON string. And this is just the additional field. Yeah, this is the additional field, and we expect the type is blob because as you can see here, oh, I forget to show you this. As you can see here, the return from this route is an Excel file, and this Excel file is created on the fly. Here I'm using byte.io, and then I write the Excel in the byte.io and then send that file. And the main solution is in here. So after we success doing the AJAX call, we will create a new window, and then after that we create object URL from the data. If you don't know the data, it will be like this. I will show you. Here, this is the response. As you can see, it's a binary, and from this binary we create an object URL, and then after that here we create a new tab, and then after that we revoke object URL. This is very important. So yeah, that's it. Bye.